Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have...
I don't have a clue.
Honey.
You gotta tell them what you explain.
What do we have, my love? What are we doing today?
What we trying? What? I don't know what the name of the thing we're trying because it's all different stuff right here. So
family, today we went to the Oriental market to go get some more 2-time spicy sauce. And the owner there was telling us about different snacks, and we got intrigued, and we decided, why not try some different culture snacks? Now, I don't know where they're from, but I know they're from Japan, they're from Asia, it's from
everywhere.
China,
everywhere.
It's all mixed up in one.
Yeah, everything mixed up.
So that's why we couldn't say specifically what country.
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to say, because I don't know. Just
Oriental, they have beer snacks.
And the 2-time spicy, that's where we get them from, the low.
Yes.
All right.
So we have different snacks here. Okay, we're going to tell you what they are individually, and then we also have a drink.
Yeah.
Why you mess with my stuff?
Listen, let me just tell you about the stuff.
No, don't mess with my stuff.
All right, make sure you can't whoop me to here.
Don't mess with my stuff. So what we're gonna do is we'll be right back. We're gonna get set up and we'll show you what we have.
We are back, but there's no outfit of the day.
That's
Our first thing is what, First Lady?
Our first thing is that we're gonna try is black bean noodles. Okay?
Black Lives Matter noodles.
Black Lives Matter noodles?
Yes.
This is the packet, okay? This is how it looks.
There you go. And it's black.
So I've seen and heard about black bean noodles before, but we've never tried it. I've never tried it. Richie's never tried it. So we're gonna try it.
But wait. Disclaimer. We already ate. We're just trying these snacks.
We already.
We're not gonna be hungry. So we ain't bring no backup. All right. Okay. What else you got?
Speak for yourself.
Okay, I'm watching you move fast.
So how you open this, honey?
Yes, you see it, listen. Family, I was telling her that thing is not a regular, you see, you don't friggin' listen, I tell you, that's not a regular thing to open. You see the big description?
Where is it?
I remember different stuff we are trying, a Jamaican thing, man.
So now twist off.
Where's the cover I gave you?
This right here.
You see, family, you see how she did? I was trying to do the thing and she said, leave it there, fella, leave it there. Here you go. Read the cap, what the thing say. You see, I'm trying to figure this out because all now I don't know how to figure this crap out.
Okay, we'll figure it out after we try
this. They say you have to push down when they say you have to push down this and don't swallow the plunger. If you swallow the plunger, you have to go to doctor.
Doctor. Okay, family. So we're gonna go ahead and try the black bean noodles and we'll let you know what we think. Now listen. We are here trying something, so if we don't like it, we don't like it, family.
If we don't like, we're giving our opinion and our review. We just try. Let me try it, because that black noodle look different.
I want to try it too now. Put
it's black.
Some 2-time spicy on it, my youth.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Whoa, no.
From the season going and say, yo. From the season going there when somebody say ring, you know? Yeah, man.
No, that's enough for us.
Let me see. Wait, dip a little 2 times. Let me see some first. No,
let me try
this one is a no.
Come on, yeah, man. I don't like the after.
It tastes like bitterish. Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought it was only me.
But it is black bean noodles, I guess.
Let me try again. Hold on.
I'm gonna try it too.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Family, we know it.
Let's try it again, please. I'm sorry. Hot sauce. It tastes a little bit better with the hot sauce, but you still taste the bitterness
of it. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time.
Try again.
It's a 2-time spicy sauce that I'm tasting. That's why I like it.
The 2-time spicy. Yeah, I think it would taste if we drop a 2-time in it, but just tasting the regular. I don't know.
So you give this one a thumbs down?
I give this. We don't hear the best out of a 5.
What, 1 out of 5?
Yeah.
What do you give it?
A 2.
By itself?
Yeah, I give it a 2 by itself.
And what, 2 times spicy?
With 2 times spicy, I give it like about a 3.
Yeah. I would say a 3.5.
Yeah.
It's not horrible.
It's not horrible. It's just the black seasoning they have in there.
Yeah. But see, the problem is that all you're tasting is 2 times spicy. So you're really giving the 2 times spicy the credit.
All right. So 2 times spicy. Can't say 2 times spicy.
Then just a 2.
It's a 2. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we didn't like that. Look, see, open that first.
So this is like, it's basically artificial flavor mango cream filled cookies.
Okay, let's try that one. That one's
okay.
That one look promising.
Because we love mango, you know?
Yeah. No, mango tree, me Clyde. And drop water. I'm open this.
Oh, God.
Okay. Come on. You have to push it down. I told you. I'm the push.
You're gonna have to fix it.
I told you that.
I'm gonna or something. Oh. Okay. Oh. Can they see that, honey?
Yeah. Look at the little beer. Yeah.
Can you guys see that?
Can see the beer? Yes, they could.
That's so sweet.
Sweet. Try it.
Oh, the mango is very
strong.
Yeah. Very, very strong.
Want me to taste it first? I do 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Don't want that bud.
You can't go wrong with mango, man.
Family. No, man.
Mango come from yard.
Me have the one by myself, man. The one nice and it's sweet.
This is a good snack.
Let me see the one again. I'm going back.
Bring him. Oh, this is good.
Show them again. This one is lady, son.
Family, I can see myself just on the couch
eating this by itself.
Eating this. This is really good.
I rock with that. Damn, that one tastes good. We tried it, girl. We can't eat it off.
Okay.
Put this down. When we came in, your daughter said, "Oh my gosh, I want these."
Those?
She know everything already. You know it.
TikTok. So family, do you want to show them the drink first, or you want to eat something else?
Show them the drink first.
Okay. So this is my drink.
It's lychee.
This is lychee. Carbonated drink.
Yeah.
That's how it looks.
They also have the fruit too. A lot of people have the tree.
And so what's the thing, my love?
What?
So how it opens is
there's a ball up here.
Yeah, there's a ball right here.
Yeah, and you push down it.
And you push it down.
Push it down with your finger and it pops out.
And then it pushes the thing
like a wine.
Oh.
For all your drinkers out there, that's how it pops.
Like a champagne.
Champagne, yes.
But instead of it popping this way, it pops in the drink. Look at it.
And they said don't swallow that thing. You see it in there?
See it.
Yeah,
Can you guys see it?
They can't see it, but probably could see it. The boys hear it. They hear it.
Can you guys see it? That's what popped out. Yeah. So I'm gonna try it. I'm excited.
Hold on. Then what I got a coconut milk drink, but this is not the regular coconut. Yeah. You see that one? There we go, up and down.
Yes,
there we go.
family.
So I'm gonna try that one, and you know I gotta have it on the rocks. You know? Okay, first they do one open mind. Ready?
Yeah.
Taste yours. Tell me.
Tom, you wipe this off?
Oh, this already come covered already. Everything come covered already.
I gotta watch, because you had me drink that water in the restaurant that time. Family, remember the story?
This is just the regular coconut milk inside the thing. That's nothing. This is just a regular coconut milk. But
this is very good.
Try this by itself. That's just the regular coconut milk. Oh, this tastes good, girl.
This is good too.
Yeah, regular coconut milk.
It's creamy.
Creamy, that's right.
All day.
All right.
What's the next one we're gonna try?
The next one is...
Now, family, we don't know the names of all of these, but we're gonna try to pronounce it.
Let
me see.
I don't know what.
Maha
cookies.
Oh,
yeah.
Maha cookies.
Yeah.
And this looks like it's Japanese.
Japanese, yeah. Let's see what we got right here.
If you push it close.
Yep. They can see? They can see, First Lady?
Yeah, they can see good.
They can see?
Yep. All right.
Let's see.
So the man, he warned us in the store.
Yes.
The man. The owner.
Yeah.
He was very nice, by the way, family. Very nice. He helped us out a lot.
Yep.
He said, be careful when you're eating this.
Yeah, don't bite into it like how you bite the cornstarch, he said.
Yeah. Because he saw the cornstarch video, lies.
All right.
Ching.
Let's see. Ready?
No, sir.
All right, for you, man. Wait a minute. We got something here. This is like a little donut. But it's got dried. Yes, I don't that being dried, and it's crunchy, and it got like a little the glaze on it. This is nice.
I would eat this.
Right here.
Yeah. I would eat this.
I would eat this. Yeah. Oh.
It's tough though.
Product of Taiwan.
Oh, Taiwan.
Yeah.
My bad. One.
Next one is sip a drink.
I'm gonna sip a drink. Make a sip a drink too.
Coconut milk, right? Next one.
Oh, you going for the big boy?
Big boy, the shrimp snacks. It's a chips. Y'all can see?
With shrimp.
Y'all can see? Yeah. Y'all can see. Come on, now cut it out.
With shrimp.
With shrimp. Ready?
Ready like Freddy and spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
How it smell?
Oh, it smell like shrimp for real, man.
Oh.
Smell like.
Oh, I should never. Okay.
Ready?
I don't think I should have actually smelt it.
Yeah.
It's very potent.
Yeah. Ready? And it tastes like shrimp. Oh shit. It does.
It tastes like shrimp?
Yeah. Taste it.
Look, I'm asking if it tastes like shrimp and I'm tasting it.
Yeah.
Duh.
Tastes like shrimp. It does. Try it again.
You know, you gotta eat it. Sometimes you gotta try a couple of times. Hold on. You know, like about it is nice and airy.
See? Made with real shrimp. It tastes like, and this is original. Yep.
Okay, crispy and light. I like that.
Yeah, that's why we like it. Yeah,
I like that it's light. I'm not sure if I would sit down and eat this though. I think I would get tired of it.
Marco Polo brand.
Okay, see your face.
No, I'm just saying. I'm just reading the thing.
I don't think I can sit down and eat a whole thing of this. Maybe maybe like 5 or 6, but I can see that it'll start to. You know, you're eating something.
Yeah.
You can just tell that after a while you get tired of it. That's this. What about you? Can you eat a whole bag?
It's coming like the way the people that eat the pork thing.
The pork rind.
All right.
Oh, that looks good, honey.
You got this. Could y'all see? Try it back.
You're good.
Okay. Up, down.
Now, these right here.
Rice cake. With bean jam. And what is it? Hana. I can't pronounce that blood. Not that red bean and green bean.
Red bean and green bean. Now this right here, I think it's Muchi's. They have an ice cream version of this. That's really good. Okay? But I've never had this one before.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Let's get it. We're in it to win it. So far, everything is cool. I smell it.
What do you smell?
Smell it.
I don't know.
All right. You want to try what? The green one, and you want to give me the purple one?
Yeah. So we'll bite one?
Yeah. Buy one.
Okay. What was you going to say, honey? I'm sorry.
I'm just telling you. So this is a rice cake. I already told them that already. And it got beans in it. Rice cake, red bean, and green bean. Which one you get?
It's the same thing, but just I guess one has.
Oh, you got the green. I got a purple one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try that piece.
Try the piece.
You can just bite yours. I just want to trade pot. Can't trust.
So.
I just wanted to
Mine is
tear mine
purple.
in half.
I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's purple and it got the beans inside. Let's see. I want to go inside where the beans is. That's the main thing. Yeah. Kind of sweet. I want to get into the bean though. Come on.
It reminds me of something, but I don't know what. Tell me, honey.
It almost tastes like a tamarind ball in the middle part. It doesn't taste like the bean, but it's not. Cause it got the sugary part.
Just the purple one.
Try the purple one. Try the green one.
So look like say you want to yum it off.
When they say taste, no, and yum.
It's the same.
Okay, the same thing.
You bit that one?
It's the same. This is good for the sweet, so people that like sweets. Yeah.
Okay, family. So scale of 1 to 5. What would you give this, honey?
This? We don't like sweets that much. I give it like about a 3.
Okay.
It is nice though. It do got a nice.
But you
taste.
love sweets, my love.
Yeah, I like sweet, but not this kind of sweet.
Okay. Next one.
Right. I like that sweet. I like this kind of sweet right here. This one is made in Japan. Pronounce, you know the name for that one.
It is
our daughter know
kimchi.
That. Kimchi. Yeah.
This
see?
is kimchi.
I almost said cream cheese, you know.
This is kimchi. That's how the package looks. Okay, family. So we have it open.
Smell strong, too spicy, man. Smell spicy.
Kimchi.
Kimchi. See. That's cabbage. That cabbage a little different, brother.
Ooh, making a mess, family.
Let's see.
Is it? He said something else in there.
Cabbage and some other
something.
stuff.
He said it was cabbage and something else in there, but we don't remember.
Okay, go on first.
No, 1, 2. You're a brute, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
For the vegetarians who don't eat meat, this is a go. No, seriously, it's season 2.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, it's season. I'll eat it, but not on a regular. Right, that seasoning.
I don't know. And also, I like the saltiness. It has a saltiness to it that is not bad, but
I like it because it's crunchy and it's seasoned a little bit. See?
Yeah, it is very well seasoned. But
for the vegetarians, you know what I'm saying? What we got here?
How many more we have left, my love?
We got one more snack after this, first lady.
Ooh.
See that? That's like cones, or in different flavors.
I like this.
All right. And what's this one called, first lady?
Let's see. It is called. I don't know.
You don't know the name? I don't know either.
But I do know
You got the flavor.
that this one is for milk. Can I see, baby?
Yeah, point
This one is for strawberry.
yeah.
And this one is for
I think that's chocolate.
chocolate.
Yeah.
That's what we know. Guess what, family? That's all that matters.
Yes.
I like how it's
Package
packaged.
nice.
It's upside down.
See my thing, man. Oh, see what's right there?
Look how it looks, guys. Oh, it's so cute.
It's nice.
Okay,
Which one you want?
I'm gonna go for chocolate.
Oh.
Because Tamila like chocolate.
That's what I'm about to say. You beat me to it. Tamila, first lady beat me to it. You know what?
How come these... Oh, there I go.
You know what?
Which one you gonna try, baby?
I'm going to try vanilla.
Vanilla. Ooh, it's strong.
Strong, right?
I think I'm gonna like this. This
Oh, it smells like vanilla. Damn, whoo. Chocolate make you want to knock out. Bang. Let's go. This is nice. Hold on. Damn, it go all the way
What
down.
I'm saying?
Oh, I thought it was only the top.
Honey, I thought the same thing too.
Wait, family.
I thought once you bite it off,
That's
it was
it.
the air.
Wow.
Let me try that one.
Look, you got chocolate there too?
Yeah.
This is nice. This is sweet.
It's like a wafer candy.
Yes.
A wafer cone. Excuse me. And then it's good.
This chocolate is strong too. So you never my thing, my youth. You was trying it.
Sorry.
You see? She tell me to try. When I was doing that, she said you should pass my other one. Okay. You see that? Even when we're doing try-ons. Try-ons.
Okay, strawberry.
This is a try-haul. Oriental. Oriental try-haul, right? Wow.
Yeah, man. Oriental.
Family, this is good.
I'll wait for you to try the strawberry one. It's good, honey.
It is good. I like that.
I mean, how can you go wrong,
Wrong.
if it looks like an ice cream cone? I mean, come on. Ting.
And it tastes like the real strawberry too.
I'm not gonna lie, family. It's good.
What we got next, First Lady?
We have the last one.
The last one.
I'm excited. What is it? What is the last thing?
Hold
what
on.
is the last
Before
thing?
the last one, intermission.
What?
Pastor Rich in the building. You only thing I forgot.
I did.
I never
I was
forget.
getting hyped.
I never forget about the word of the wisdom.
Oh, I like that one.
No, I mean not say that.
Oh.
I'm not. You say that. No, I'll never forget the word of
Wisdom.
Hey, First Lady. Chill, stop. Hey, chill. Don't get that too much.
Sorry.
I'm signed. I'll make you get signed.
For real.
I'll make you get family. When people walk away from you, let them go. Your destiny is never tied to anyone who leaves you. And it doesn't mean they are bad people. It just means that their part in the story is over.
Ooh.
Again.
That's true.
That's true. It was a long one.
Yep.
You heard?
But it was a good one.
It was a good one.
Family.
Their part in the story is over. So it's the next chapter.
It's
The
next
story's
chapter.
done.
Yeah, man.
That's it.
And then sometimes you gotta make a new story.
You gotta make a new story.
And
So
it involves new people.
finito, exactly.
Honey,
They're not bad people, you know what I'm saying?
honey, let me have a kiss. You look scrumptious.
I look like a snack.
You look like a snack.
Alright, back to it now.
The finale.
The finale. Y'all gonna like this one because we loved it when we saw it. First Lady, what we got? We got Kit
Japanese.
Kat. But it's
From Japan.
from Japan.
Kit Kat from Japan.
Japan.
Yes.
All right, let's go. This one, this one we think we're gonna be the good one. How much you think this one we're gonna get this one, First Lady?
I don't know, Tom Tom.
Oh
But
my
I'm telling
God.
you one thing, my love.
Uh-huh.
The man in the store.
Yeah. The owner
The owner
said this
you
is
guys
a
gotta
big
try
seller.
it. Matter of fact, the owner of the store says that another
A YouTuber,
YouTuber
yeah.
comes in there
And buy
picks
all
up
the
snacks.
stuff, and we don't know them.
Yeah, me don't know them.
It's not us.
And it's green like money.
When your kids them saw this, they said, "Oh my gosh, I see this all over TikTok." They're not getting nothing up. All right, First Lady.
Whoa, it's hot
Look.
like a fire.
It's green, like
And it's
money,
smaller.
and it's smaller. It's the mini one. Let's see what's up in here. Here, see what it says already? We don't have to say. You see what it says? Thumbs up.
Good job.
Thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. It's a good job we doing. You see that? All right. Oh, it's green,
Give me
son.
a piece of that Kit Kat, boss. Ooh, wait a minute.
I don't know how it tastes.
Wait a minute, honey.
Oh, you don't like it? It smell?
It smells like a
I don't know what it smells.
like green tea.
Yeah. It smells bitter, man.
Yeah, man, it smells bitter.
All right, ready?
Yes.
Let's see. So the green is the chocolate. Wait. Let me eat it first.
So the first thing, it doesn't taste like Kit Kat. No, you don't taste chocolate. What you taste is like, it tastes to me like a green tea.
And then with the crunchy though, the crunchy
Yeah.
part. But for me, the green part, the green tea, is supposed to be the chocolate part.
Right. But then it has like a hint of vanilla, like I taste vanilla.
Try it.
Yeah?
Try it right
Try this
here.
one?
Wait, give us just a piece first. Try it and let them and y'all talk. Y'all recording. Y'all try it and then tell us.
Well, that's not what y'all think. Because
Yeah, because I think something wrong with us.
Yeah, you, my youth, why you love speak for me and you? What do you think?
Tea.
Just like tea.
Okay, what you say?
Yeah, I don't really like tea.
Yeah, that's like Tisha's right.
Tastes like tea?
Yeah, I don't.
You don't like it?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's good though.
One more.
So, for the
What is it?
Kit Kat, what would you rate the Kit Kat,
Kit
my
Kat,
love?
I give it a 3.
I'm gonna give it a 2.
Yeah.
It's a
Yeah,
no
3.
for
I
me.
give it a try because I like Kit Kat, so I give it a 3.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys.
Oh my God.
We
family.
hope you enjoyed the video. We wanted to do something different.
Different.
And guys, we know so we nosy.
Yes.
You guys should know that
You
by
know
now.
such First Lady knows it, not me. I just do the eating. First Lady knows it, so she want to try it, but we did again.
Okay, he's telling the truth. I'm nosy.
Yeah, we tried it. That's our opinion. Other people might like it, but we gave you a review. That's just our review.
Yeah.
So, we shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. And they are, First Lady?
The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye!
We got